In this video, I will show you the spotlight feature here in AskSpot. So in order to create a spotlight, you must have a business, and then inside that business, you can create a spotlight by clicking on the plus icon, click spotlight, and then give it a name, description. The type will be question and answer, structured data bot if you have a more complex use case, and you need a more structured bot. So you need to add at least one resource before you can see your spotlight. Let's try to add one resource for now. So these are the multiple sources available for creating a spotlight. So let's look at settings. Over here, you can customize the header options of your spotlight, and you can enable or disable this. Add a logo with the ideal size, logo shape, title, CTA, and the custom links that will show up at the top of your header. So you can customize it to be in the left, center, or right part. Now let's look at profile. So these are the profile options. You can add a profile image or a profile video. If you add a profile video and a profile image, it will only display the profile video. And you need to paste the iframe embed code in order to get a profile video. And then here's your profile descriptions, and you can add multiple social media links. And here are the available social media links inside Spotlight. Over here on chat is where you can customize the chat options if you want to allow the user to send text messages, if you want to show like or dislike button on messages, and then you can add channels under the initial message, but you have to pre-create them on the channels tab. And here's your branding that you can customize. And under here in customizations, we have pre-built themes, or you can create your own custom theme with the following settings. Here's how it looks like, Spotlight looks like. Here's the AI configuration. Same goes as for a chatbot. You need to put your system prompt, your chosen AI platform, if you have a secondary AI platform, and the accuracy and creativity balance. Here's the flow setting, so you can use a flow instead of AI chat. Same setting as a chatbot. You have to pre-create it first from the full flow builder section inside AskSpot and connect it to your Spotlight. Here's the controls available for your Spotlight. And here are the channels available for your Spotlight. Here are the sharing options for the Spotlight. This share options allows you to share between AskSpot users, and they can duplicate your Spotlight. Here's the data options. As long as there's a form connected, a lead form connected to a Spotlight, or a flow with data collection is connected to a Spotlight, the chatbot will be able to collect the data. Here are the chats. This is where you can view all the chats that it has collected. Chat settings. You can share the chats, and to grant permission for adding Q&As from the chats page, you can add a password, which is optional. And chat automation details can be set up inside the webhook section in AskSpot. And then here's the analytics for your Spotlight. And here's how a Spotlight that's already been built looks like. So let me just show you. Let me show you this. So it can be created for a person, for a business, for a service. So here's how a Spotlight looks like when it's been built. Thank you so much.